Uncut and cut diamonds. What does it mean? Indestructible, the hardest and one of the most expensive minerals. Its hardness on the Mohs scale is 10, which is the maximum value of the scale. This makes the diamond the hardest substance on Earth. What is the difference between diamonds from the lab and natural diamonds? Almost none. The chemical structure is the same. The crystal structure is the same too. In terms of the visual identity of diamonds grown in the laboratory, you can't tell the difference even under 150-fold magnification. So what's the difference? It is the method of production. Production of artificially grown diamonds is more ethical and environmentally friendly because they are produced by people in lab coats in clean laboratories, operating in accordance with all labor laws in a peaceful and safe environment. The advantage of grown diamonds over natural ones is their perfect quality and large size, while the quality of natural diamonds varies greatly. A gemstone that was mined in nature often has an odd shape and small size. Large diamonds are rarely found in nature and often have inclusions of foreign minerals, air bubbles, and cracks. But the aesthetic and economic problems are not the worst thing in mining natural diamonds. Rebels and armed bandits profit from diamonds in many African countries. They finance civil wars and terror against civilians. These diamonds are called blood diamonds. One of the bloodiest episodes occurred in Sierra Leone. Hundreds of thousands of people were killed in the conflict in the east of the country, where diamond mines are located. They were captured by the rebel group that supports the revolutionary government. The country has been devastated. Anarchy reigned in it, and diamonds fed the flames of the civil war. A diamond is a mineral that was produced in nature or created in the laboratory. Only after it is cut and polished it becomes brilliant and begins to shine and play millions of colors, refracting and reflecting light. An uncut diamond is always 46% cheaper than the cut and polished one. Diamonds are praised for their shape, size, purity, color and clarity. How to create a diamond? Growing diamonds in the lab uses the HPHT technology, high pressure, high temperature. The plant creates a pressure of up to 40,000 atmospheres. Most plants stop at 50,000 atmospheres. But Van de Ka plant is capable of making diamonds at 55 to 65,000 atmospheres. This increases the quality and size of the diamond. The capsule with the catalyst and the carbon source get heated to a temperature above 1400 degrees Celsius. The capsule is kept under these conditions for 72 hours, which is the time for the necessary processes to occur, which would take millions of years in nature. Nowadays, diamonds produced by human hands are used in almost all areas: outer space, medicine, metal processing, mining, oil and gas, and other high-tech industries. And by all accounts, their role is growing and becoming more important. At the moment, the market is oversupplied with diamond jewelry. This leads to demand for high-quality and large-sized jewelry. This demand can only be met with a diamond created in the lab. It would take only 3 days to create a diamond at Van de Ka factory. In 10 years, thanks to our production facilities, we plan to increase the global market share of diamonds grown in Kazakhstan from 0 to 3%. Modern technologies cannot move forward without laboratory-grown diamonds. We are ready to enter that market right now. Join us!